Running out of time and saving, if your savings are disappearing and time is running out, you need a plan you can start actually this week. I want to talk to those of you who are feeling the pressure. Maybe you've got kids heading to college soon, your bills aren't getting smaller, and your savings account looks more like a puddle than a safety net. You're working hard, but every month feels like you're falling further and further behind. And here's the scary truth. If nothing changes, you could be completely out of money before you're ready to retire. I know because I've been there. I was 70, still working, and realizing that hoping for the best wasn't a strategy. So, here's what works when you need to act fast. 1, pick something that pays quickly, not an idea that takes years to build. 2, keep startup costs low, so you're not risking what little savings you have left. Something with no additional monthly expenses. And 3, choose something with proven demand, so you're not guessing if it will sell. Something already created and done for you, so all you have to do is plug in. For me, that was building small, automated online businesses. They didn't require me to be on camera all day or become a tech wizard. No thanks. I could start in days and start seeing results within weeks. The urgency is real. Every month you wait is another month you could have been building momentum. Imagine if by the time the kids start their next school year, you already had a steady second income coming in. Woohoo! You don't have to do it all. You don't have to really have it all figured out. You just have to start someplace. I put my exact steps on my website. You can check it out below. My blueprint is your map to success with step-by-step daily guidance. Think of it like GPS for getting from point A to point B. My blueprint is your roadmap for business. In addition, all live interactive training and support is fully included. Comment ready or go to my site to learn more. It's all there for you. In addition, pick up some tools for free that I have and PDFs on more specifics and how to grow in a 30-day span. It's all free for you to check it out.